Srhythm NC25 wireless Bluetooth headphones. These are a lightweight noise canceling headphone. I have them in the gray tone. As you can see here, they are super cushiony, both at the ear base as well as at the top of the headset itself. So it makes it ultra comfortable. So lots of attachments come with it on auxiliary cord. This piece is actually for meant of listening on aircraft, so you can connect it that way. This is a Type-C cord for charging the headphone itself. You get about 50 hours of playtime on a total charge. A really great battery life on here, and just showing a little bit more of how to connect. You can also hands-free call on here, which is great. So there is microphones on there. The headphone itself is ultra light, only weighing 180 grams. You can see it, red light on here indicates when it is charging. So I have charged mine up and put them on. Super comfy, works great with a ponytail or with your hair down, or I'll even pull my hood up as well. There is also a low latency game mode if you like to use these gaming as well. Check them out.